Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to start today with a music message. It's not on right now, but it's been in my head since I decided to come on here and do a video. It's Alanis Morissette, "Hand in My Pocket," and especially the line, I haven't got it all figured out just yet. So that's part of the message. And it's so funny because I've had this massive migraine since yesterday, and I feel like my brain is purging from trying to figure all the things out instead of feeling them out. Well, I mean, I still feel them out, but there's something that you've been trying to figure out that there's just no figuring. We don't have all the pieces yet. You're trying so hard, and it's like, I feel like there's some kind of subconscious energy that you beat yourself up because you don't feel like you have your shit together. I feel ya. Again, it's like, I feel you. I feel you. I'm in this place of connecting, and I feel you. I don't figure you. I don't think you. I don't think you. Another one of the messages this morning when I was sitting outside, I usually sit down and I do write down my thoughts. I write down it's hard to think right now how to put this together. I can see it in my mind, the way that the message is coming through and what it's connected to. I was sitting out there, and I usually do. I write down what I'm grateful for. I write down my dreams. I write down my goals. And the last week or so, I've been writing down like I am statements. I am worthy of everything that I desire. I am beautiful. I am soft. I am empowered. I am an abundance magnet. I am love. I am all of these things. And this morning, I feel like I'm recovering from this migraine yesterday. And I sat outside, and it's like I can't get myself to do the things. My body is so tired right now. And I'm just taking my time. I'm just having grace with myself. So I just sat out there in the light, and I was just thinking about things that happened yesterday, thinking about things that I have going on today, thinking about all of these different things. Really, just like my thoughts were thinking me. I was just witnessing the thoughts that were happening. And one of the biggest messages was, normally I'm intentional with my thoughts. I'm writing down the things that I think. I am worthy. I am this. I'm like thinking my thoughts. And the message was, think your thoughts. Don't let your thoughts think you. There are so many times where we just, our thoughts get away from us. We try to figure out and make decisions based off of those thoughts. But most of those thoughts are based off of things that have already happened, instead of consciously creating thoughts based off of where we want to go, or what do you want to think? What do you want to think? People think that we don't have control. I want to think based off of feeling from my higher self. I want to think I'm already a success. So I write down, I'm successful. I'm wealthy. I'm healthy. I'm well. I'm love. I'm successful. I'm successful in all the ways that I want to be successful. And there are some times where you say those things and your thoughts kick in, and your thoughts, based off of what you think your reality is, are like, maybe not. Liar. Liar. You don't have all of that stuff. Your brain is trying to take you back into this denser reality and make you not believe that all those things are possible. That it's possible for you to be multidimensional and in a quantum space where you are all of those things. You have all of those things. You're just now in this time and space receiving the codes of that. I am that. I am that. I am that I am. So it's like getting back into your heart and believing. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'm going to read these lyrics to you. I'm broke, but I'm happy. I'm poor, but I'm kind. I'm short, but I'm healthy. I'm high, but I'm grounded. I'm sane, but I'm overwhelmed. I'm lost, but I'm hopeful, baby. You can be all of those things. What it all comes down to is that everything is going to be fine. Because I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one's giving a high five. I care, but I'm restless. I'm here, but I'm really gone. I'm wrong, and I'm sorry, baby. What it all comes down to is that everything's going to be quite all right. What it all comes down to is that I haven't got it all figured out just yet. Because I've got one hand in my pocket and the other one is giving a peace sign. All I know is that I just want peace in my heart. And no matter what your reality is, the only way to have peace in your heart is to accept what is and what can be. What is what you have created. What can be is what you decide to create. What are you creating? What are you creating consciously? What are you listening to? So I'm sitting here trying to listen. My thoughts are trying to listen to the message, and the only thing that I hear is my fan in the window over there. There is a real need to become still. Become still. And just sit. And just be in this moment, in the world around you. Just be at peace with your existence. Some of you need to be at peace with your role in the world, the fact that you exist, and the importance of that. What do I have to offer? There's some serious subconscious thoughts here. What do I have to offer to this world? What do I have to give? You need to get back to you. You need to get back to you and just understand that when you accept you and when you love you, that's what you have to give to the world. It's your love for yourself. And when you stand and this acceptance of yourself, when you accept who you are, you have anchored yourself and given yourself a place in this world. You deserve to be here. You are here, and you deserve to be here. And you deserve to be a part of the greater whole, because you are just as important and meaningful, and like your frequency is so valuable to the world around you. Your guides, your higher self, they're telling me that it's like your higher self, the God spark in you, God in you is saying, you are my greatest achievement. You are my greatest creation. Why would you have been created other than to just be? There's no other purpose except to just be. All the things. Free, but I'm focused. I'm green, but I'm wise. I'm hard, but I'm friendly. I'm sad, but I'm laughing. I'm brave, but I'm chicken shit. I'm sick, but I'm pretty. What it all boils down to is that no one's really got it all figured out just yet. No one. I don't care what you see, what you perceive, what you think the reality is. No matter how much they say, I've got it all figured out. No one knows all the things. If they did, they would probably be non-physical. What it all comes down to, my friends, is that everything is not gonna be, that everything is just fine, fine, fine. It's your inspirational message for today. I'm gonna go rest. Love you.